Computers, they're fantastic. So are printers. And yet, with all their cutting-edge technology, one is pretty useless without the other. What if you could harness the power of the two? What if you could have the capabilities of both in one amazing machine? You can. Introducing the Typewriter, the incredibly compact keyboard and printer in one. A remarkable leap forward in desktop publishing, the Typewriter instantly prints what you're typing as you type it. The Typewriter is so advanced, it doesn't even need a mouse or a monitor. What's more, the Typewriter never has to warm up, never crashes, and won't slow you down with paper jams. And with the Typewriter's innovative single ribbon technology, expensive toners and ink cartridges will be a thing of the past. So whether you're composing an important business document or the next great American novel, say goodbye to relying on two machines and say hello to the one that does it all, the Typewriter. There's only one R in irony.